Hi, Tom Larson here with Tech Training for Teachers. In today's episode, I'll be covering the latest announcements concerning new features coming to Google Meet, heard at the Learning with Google Global Virtual event. Let's get started. While most of the new features will be available free of charge, there are a few exclusive to paying Google Workspace organizations. You can identify which are paid or premium features based on whether or not the money symbol appears on the slide. Having said that, let's dive in. There will be new settings in the Google Admin Console providing options as to whether people outside organizations or schools can join school-hosted video calls. Also, whether or not students in an organization can join calls outside their own school. Log data will help admins better understand how people are using Google Meet, as well as whether or not digital citizenship standards are being practiced and the extent to which they are. Admins will be able to end any Meet in their district. Teachers can now remove all students from a call. This will prevent students from staying on a Meet after the teacher has left. With the click of a button, teachers will now be able to mute everyone, as well as being able to control when students can unmute themselves. Students can't join Meet calls before the teacher. Only students and teachers in the class can join by default. Multiple moderator controls will provide all teachers in classroom with access to Meet host controls. Teachers will be able to access moderation controls with their mobile device, including quick access controls, chat lock, and present lock. Teachers can set up breakout rooms ahead of time in Calendar and avoid losing valuable class time. Students will be able to make reactions to things happening in Meet sessions with new emoji reactions that are able to be customized to better express a child's identity. Meet is also being improved to work better in situations where there is low bandwidth. On Chromebooks, Google is bringing audio and video optimization, as well as better performance when multitasking. Students who weren't able to be in class will now be able to stay up to date with meeting transcripts. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. And if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe and sign up for notifications so you'll know when new content is posted.